You have made some pretty cogent comments about how the economy has changed in terms of a lot of these companies that have benefited, where 5 or 10 years has been squeezed into 1 year, and they were in the right place at the right time. But then again, we know the flip side of that and how difficult it has been for so many different companies. As a buyer of and seller of distressed debt, have you spent more of your time dealing with distressed debt that you already owned that's come under pressure, or finding opportunities in distressed debt that you don't own yet that must have opened up across the globe for you in the pandemic?
It's been more of the latter. First of all, it's great to see you again. It's been a while. I hope you're doing well and your family's doing well.
Thank you. You too.
I think for us, there's been huge opportunities. A lot of it has been in specialty lending, where literally across the globe, really what we're doing is companies need capital. The public markets are not providing that. And we're coming in and lending money anywhere between 12 to 15% on a senior basis. So it's actually gone really well.
Can you point to any of the? I remember you were getting into energy to some extent. You do a lot over in Europe, and you have over the years. Have you had any situations that you were very concerned with some of the stuff that you already own? It hasn't all been great, I wouldn't imagine.
No, it hasn't. I wish it was, but no, it hasn't been all great. I think on the energy side, we took a bunch of hits early on. I think now we're working those out, and we're finding actually new opportunities. The simple reason is people don't want to invest in energy. So we're able to come in. We've been making some big investments in a company, Diamond Offshore is a company where we've been investing in recently. So we're still doing it. I would love to tell you we haven't had any problems. It'd be nice, but no, we've had some problems, work those out, and now try to make new investments.
With the vaccine now actually being rolled out today, are you expecting a second derivative change in interest rates, or it's something that you're dealing with in terms of opportunities, whether you buy or sell now? Will that change things as we move into, hopefully, after COVID?
I don't think, I think everybody knows the vaccine's coming out, at least the markets. Obviously, we've known that for the last sort of 2 to 4 weeks. So I think what you're going to find is just the focus now is going to be on the economy. How quickly is it turning around? How quickly? The real question for everybody is how quickly do things get back to 2019 EBITDA? And is that 6 months, a year, or 2 years? So you're still going to have a little bit of stress in the system, but the good news that's out there right now is that the Fed is willing to help. I think rates will stay where they are. Maybe they'll go up a little bit just because there's going to be less pressure on the system. But really what you're going to find is that people still need capital. So for us, we hope over the course of the next 6 months, a year, we're still going to be able to find all the situations that we're investing in.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.